Prime Minister Andrew Holness is again calling for the private sector to assist in providing housing solutions on the market. Now, Mr. Holness made the call in Hanover on Friday.
Yet another NHT handing over ceremony, this time the Industry Cove Manor in Hanover. And according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, it's part of the government's commitment to deliver 70,000 housing solutions over 5 years.
Of the 70,000 we have committed 2 years ago, I'm confident that we are close to delivering about 10,000 before the year is out, between the NHT, the HAJ, the new social housing program, and other programs that the government is undertaking.
But despite the projects being undertaken by the government, thousands of Jamaicans who applied for some of these houses weren't approved. And so the complaints have been plenty, with many pointing to inequity in the application process. Mr. Holness, while noting the concerns, pointed to another issue.
So the demand is huge. We acknowledge that the 70,000 is not enough, but we also have to pay attention to the absorptive capacity of the institutions to deliver the houses. So in the last 5 years, we have tripled the amount of houses. So we're moving from like 2,000 on average per year. We are now at about 6,000 on average per year. But you don't even feel the effect of it, except for those who have the keys to their own homes. No.
He insists the government remains committed to delivering adequate housing solutions for Jamaicans. But he says it cannot be done without partnership.
The government needs the private sector to come on board. And I'm not now speaking about private sector money, because the private sector has resources and the private sector is quite competitive in dealing with a certain segment of the market. The challenge is to get the private sector to participate in the affordable and low-income elements of the market, where the demand is. We have not been very successful in doing that. We have some private contractors who are coming on board, but we just don't have enough.
Meanwhile, the government is contemplating how it regulates work carried out by contractors. Anthony Lug, TVJ News.